guys, so today we will see how to make a text italics. So before I do that, I would recommend you to make this looks a little bit simpler so that it will be easy for you to understand. So if you can see the P tag opens here, so I'm just going to press an enter and put it down. Then we have the U for underline tag, so I'm going to press enter, and then we have it for B tag. So similarly, I'm going to put next one will be I tag, which stands for italics. So let me just open it, and similarly to Control B, you can see that this particular text is now in italics. So there's three different tags. For example, it has a bold tag, it has italic tags, and an underline tag. Okay. Now I'm going to show another way of doing italics. So for example, here I have already used the word strong to emphasize the text. Now I'm going to use another code, for example EM. So now since I have opened it after the strong, so I'm going to close it before this strong tag ends. And let me just do Control B and check. You can see that this text is also now in italics. So EM actually stands for emphasized as text. Okay, so what is the difference? So you must be wondering that when to use the I tag and when to use the EM tag. Now EM tag is also similarly like a strong tag. It's generally stressed on a particular text or a word like that. So it is used when you want to stress or give importance to a particular text or a word. Like for example, here in this paragraph, I want to give football as more emphasis. So I have just used this tag. Okay. So that's all I want to explain here in this tutorial, the difference between I tag and emphasis tags. So hope you're enjoying our video so far, and happy learning.